In this video, I'll detail how to add a Bluetooth device on Windows 11 computer. So, if you have a Windows 11 computer and you want to add any Bluetooth device to it so that you can easily connect to the device and then transfer file over Bluetooth, this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, you found it really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The essence of this is to help this channel grow, and this really helps us and it makes a lot worse. Now, to add Bluetooth device on Windows computer, all you just need to do is come to the Windows Start button like this, click on it, then select settings. Once you selected settings, you want to let the settings page load. So this is on the new Windows 11 update. Then come down to the left side and click on Bluetooth and devices. Now while on this page, make sure you turn on Bluetooth to make it discoverable, and then take the device you want to connect the Bluetooth to your Windows computer and then launch Bluetooth on it, and make sure the Bluetooth is discoverable to discover your Windows computer Bluetooth. Then go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the Bluetooth name on the other device, it could be your phone or other devices, then you should see this pop that says add a device. Tap to set up your iPhone. That's the name of the device I want to connect to my Windows. Go ahead and click on that. Then you should see this pop-up that says pair device. So this is going to pair my iPhone to my Windows computer. Go ahead and click on allow, and you should see connection succeed. And on your device, on your iPhone or the device you're connecting to your Windows, you should see the Bluetooth connected, and click on this to close it. If not, come back to Bluetooth and devices, then you should see the device connected to your Windows computer. So this is how you can easily connect any device to Windows 11 computer. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.